In this short tutorial, we're going to show you some features that you can find when building content within the Bravo zone. I'm here in Tally and we're going to get started. First thing I want to do, we know you can multi-select different slides and drag them over to the library. But now you can also select all the slides and drag them over to the library. And consequently, the same holds true. I can come into the library and multi-select different slides I want to drag into a session, or I can select them all. The next two features I want to show you, and that is the ability to hide a slide. I can simply come up here, hit the eyeball, and disable this item. If I want to make it visible again, I just select it and make it visible. Another feature is the ability to duplicate a slide. Simply select the slide you want to duplicate, go up to the top of the bar, and click Duplicate. Well, that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@c3softworks.com.